Okay, so I'm here in California. I've been here for the last few days. If you saw my other video where I got here, you'll see that this is the hotel room that I've been in. And out the back, I thought these trees were just really pretty. So that's why I'm kind of trying to show you those. But the other thing I found really funny here, I really haven't posted it on anything for y'all, but there's a sign for this bathroom door. And it says that it's the state law of California that this must be closed. And if it's not closed, you're breaking the law. And my thought is, it'd be hilarious to call them from inside the bathroom and say, hey, I can't get out. I don't want to open the door because I saw that it's against the law if I open the door. And like call the front desk and say that I need to get out of the bathroom, but I can't because I don't want to break the law. Anyways, I find it, like in my head, I just see this being a hilarious conversation, like a radio show kind of call-in thing, like a prank call. Anyways, going back to Denver today, aside from my silly jokes or thoughts, and yeah, let's go. Let's enjoy the ride here and see what we find. And actually, if you saw over here today, it's kind of, it's got all this marine fog still, so not sure what we're gonna get when we take off, but it doesn't look like it's gonna be too good because we take off in like an hour and 20 minutes or something. So anyways, let's get going. Let's go to Denver, Colorado. This hotel lobby is pretty cool. Love these lights. Here's all the United Alaska check-in, but we have to go all the way down here to find Southwest. Still looking pretty hazy, or whatever you want to call it. A lot of marine fog. So you check in. Now we go to security, and our flight's on time. I saw it right there. It's the second one. No issues there. Security's really close. That's about how long it took. There's literally no line. Looks like we're at 20. So to the left. Yeah.
Raise it wide awake. General boarding will begin in less than 10 minutes.
I went to get my water filled and I'm right here at the very end of this gate. Check this out. This is how they board that plane. I'm 22. We're at 20 though. Still kind of cool. You walk out, go back and forth, get up on the plane. Work?
Thank you.
Sweet. Going to Colorado. Hey Mason. Hey Cam.
No, I left my freaking
Pretty good spot.
TSA.
Yeah. Oh.
Like, how come my TSA free? They're getting all this stuff expired on this.
Do you have more than that?
All right, super busy here today. It's kind of weird. Tomorrow's July the 4th. That's the big holiday. Maybe people are traveling places. I guess it's summer anyways, but man. This airport's always crowded, it seems. I have a good feeling that next year I'm not going to have my United status because this client that's flying me around everywhere, they won't fly me United, they fly Southwest. Even when Southwest is more money. I mean, like, I just don't understand it. They say it's because they can get their money back anytime if the job needs to cancel. I'm like, I'm pretty certain that's the same thing on United. Like, because I've canceled flights and they just go to credit. So, like, I don't understand how that's any different. But all my miles and status are with United, so it kind of sucks. But what can you do? All right, we're going to gate number 3, and that's where they said luggage would be. I checked the bag because they said the flight was full. Made it here and got my bag. They're super efficient here. So now I need to get an Uber.
Head to the waiting area, which is up here between, right around D and E. So I got there and hung out for a few minutes.
You're super expedient. Appreciate it.
And,
it was good timing more than anything, I guess, really.
Yeah.
I just got home, totally forgot that I forgot to make an ending video. Last couple was leaving DIA. So anyways, got my ride, got back home, and yeah, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Going over the Grand Canyon is always amazing. I haven't done that in forever, so that was pretty cool for me too. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video overall. The marine fog taken off of LA wasn't the best, but what can you do? Anyhow, thanks so much again and again and again for watching this video. And as always, take flight.